Hello, so today I'll be showing you how to clean a griller. This is a 3-in-1 sandwich maker, griller and a waffle maker. If you've not seen the full review of this video, please do so, and I'll also link it to this video. So I go in with paper towel to clean the oil and the residue from cooking, and I go in with my liquid soap and I just wash with my damp sponge. Note from the manufacturers, they are not supposed to submerge this plate in water, and hence I'm not washing in a sink. After removing the dirt from the grilling plate, I rinsed my sponge to make sure it was free of soap, and I went in again to just scrub the plate, and I'm scrubbing for the second time with the paper towel to get rid of any little dirt anywhere. And I'll also be doing this for the second plate. You can use a clean napkin for this step, but I prefer to use the paper towel. I'm also going to be scrubbing all around the sandwich maker, although it's not very dirty, but I just want to get rid of any little dirt in there so it doesn't accumulate. Please be careful while doing this step, because I cut my finger in the process of doing this. The sandwich maker is all clean now. Please like this video, share, leave a comment, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye.